in science and social studies, as well as religious studies, were truncated. The route saw the KCPE candidates get graded for subjects they never set for. It saw an entire class score same grades in science in one school. The system deployed could not produce the plus and minus signs. What a shame. Consequently, for the first time in our country, some children are in court seeking to establish their true grades, while the Education Ministry is admitting students to Form 1, including those still challenging the marks they were awarded. This impunity and corruption that is messing up the future of our young children is sanctioned from the highest offices in the land. We can today disclose that the mess in KCPE started as a tender war pitting various senior officials in the Ministry of Education against each other before eventually being taken over by an official much higher up in government. The hunt for quick money has now taken the Kenya Kwanza entrepreneurs from petroleum products and edible oils to exams. It has messed up the 2023 KCPE and will likely find its way into KCSE, whose marking is currently underway in a tense and uncertain environment. Over the decades, Kenya has had a reputation of a credible and trustworthy education system that culminates in very rigorous, fiercely competitive, but eventually credible examinations and certificates. Today, this respect for our education, in particular our exams, is under serious threat. Kenyans are very much alive to the challenges that have been facing the integrity of our exams in recent years. That is why our young people joke darkly whether their colleagues have Professor Jacob Kaimenyis, Dr. Fred Matiangis, or Professor George Magoha's exam grades. Today, the young people are struggling with the value of Mr. Ezekiel Machogu's grades. Taken an unprecedented step and written to key education stakeholders for a partnership to secure and defend the integrity of the Kenyan exams and the certification that accrues from it. We have taken these steps out of a firm belief that once we allow education and exam systems to be caught up in tender wars, then we have no country to talk about. It is a universally accepted principle that the collapse of education system is the collapse of a nation. We believe that devaluing the integrity of our exams and certificates presents an existential threat to our country, and we have to close ranks and deal with it dispassionately.